Alright guys, next thing I want to do to the RS4 is remove these amber lenses right here in the headlights. If you notice in my other videos, I'm not a fan of those amber lenses and then usually remove it on most of my cars and truck. But yes, today I want to get rid of those, both on the left and right side. So what I'm gonna do is remove one first, show you guys what it looks like different, how it looks like, and then do the other one and show you guys how I did it. So let me go ahead and get one done first and then show you guys the difference. Before I get this video started, just want to say, if you're new to the channel or am a returning viewer but have not subscribed, it would be great if you guys can help support my channel by subscribing, by hitting that red subscribe button. Thanks guys. Alright guys, so just finished the passenger side. There you go, you can see the difference. Much cleaner without the amber corner lens. Let me show you guys on this side. Okay. There it goes. Much better compared to this one here. So let me get the headlights out and then show you guys how I removed that corner amber lens. Okay, so in order to take out the headlights, unfortunately you need to remove the front bumper because of the bottom portion of the headlight won't clear the bumper here. Anyways, to take off the front bumper, you have 1, 2, 3 up top here, but this center one on mine is already broken. Then there is, I have 2 on the bottom here for the bumper, and then you have to go into the wheel well here. You have 1, 2, 3 holding the fender liner onto the bumper. You take that off and you have another 2 in here, and then you have another 2 deep all the way. You look on this top port section right here into here, it holds this piece of the bumper onto the fender, and there's 2, I believe 10mm bolts that holds this in. It goes to both sides. And then for these guys is either a T25 or a T30. After that, the bumper should be able to come out. And then for the headlights, you have a total of 3 screws. You have 1 down here, 1 up here, and you have 1 right in the hole here. Goes to both sides as well. Let me go ahead and get that headlight off and then start showing you guys how I removed the corner amber lens. So for the one down here and the one inside this hole, all you need to do is loosen it up. Don't need to take it out all the way. On the top here, you do need to take it off all the way. And for this one, I didn't really have a nice skinny extension, so I was able to find a flathead screwdriver that was able to actually take it out. Just gotta find it. Plug the headlight plug. Okay, so first thing you need to do is remove this little rubber side. Mine's already old and cracking, gotta get a new one. this guy. Here. And there's 5 clips on the headlight. There's one right here, one right here, and 3 on the bottom. One right here, and right here. So let's get those removed first. And the next thing to do is heat up the adhesive that holds the headlight lens to the housing, and then we can start separating it apart. Now what I'm going to do is just use a heat cut. Little flat head here and start separating it while it's hot. Just be careful, take your time. Eventually it'll just come off easily. Work your way around it. And there it goes.
Oh, look at the cow.
Part.
Look at the cow.
That's how you take the lens off.
Okay.
Okay, now we can start taking off some of these plastics to be able to take out that corner lens. So first we gotta take off, it's like a 2-piece inner plastic. So we gotta take off the larger section here, and then we'll be able to take off the smaller section here. These chrome arrows are pretty fragile, so try your best to not touch it. It's best to use gloves. I don't have any gloves at this time, but I'm just gonna show you guys how to do it. So to take off the larger section, there's 1, 2, and 3. I believe that's T20 screws that hold that in. So let me take those out first. A little tab here that you gotta press down when pulling out. So I'm gonna start pulling this guy out. Okay, so that's out. Just gonna leave it here like that. And then for here, there's 2 T20 screws. There's one down here, and there's one hidden right up here where you kind of have to push down to be able to get access to that. Oh, let's take this bulb out too. right up in here. Just gotta be careful. Push it down. Okay, now that's out. Okay. Now to be able to take the lens out, you gotta push it back that way. But then you have this section, this portion back here that you. And to be able to take that off, you gotta just pull it off of this plastic. So pull this plastic piece here off of this little notch here. So let me go ahead and pull that off real quick. Okay, now for the amber lens, there's just a couple of tabs that's holding it in here. Just gotta push it out. And there we go. That guy's out. Now all we gotta do is put everything back together. So let me go ahead and put it all back together. Just remember how you take it out. That's the way you're gonna have to put it back together. Alright guys, so since the bumper is out, I decided to tint the front bumper side marker some more, because in certain lightings and certain angles you can still see the reflection of the amber color. It looks like the previous owner did some sort of nightshade spray. So for me, I'm just going to use a little strip of window tint, film tint, 5%. I've been doing that for a lot of other cars using these window film tint 5%, and they've been coming out good, and it's going to be for sure much darker than what you see here now. So let me get that done really quick. So here's what it looked like now with the 5% tint. Still have a little bubble here and there because I didn't clean off the marker good enough, but it's darker now. It's gonna look better now. All right guys, got the headlight all back together and mocked up back into the car, and that is what it looks like now. Much cleaner without those amber corner lens. Looks so much meaner too. So I have yet still to mount down and bolt down the bumper, but I'm going to finish that later, or basically after this video. Like I said earlier, I also tinted out these corner markers because it was still showing through the amber color, but now it's all black and nice too. So this is how it looks now. So let me know what you guys think of it now. Looks so much better in my opinion. Anyways, I'm gonna finish putting back the mounting back up the bumper, securing it all down, and I'm gonna end this video here. So just want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to help support my channel. Comment any sort of feedback to help my channel grow, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks guys.